Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video. This morning we were coming in here, looking for a little bit of a pause in the market after we had this nice drop the last couple days in the stock index futures. The market needs a little bit of a pause. I'm going to go over the S&P and the Russell today because they were a little bit different, and I'm going to show you why we were able to take the Russell today and look into the upside if we start to get a bounce here. Why we look for the S&Ps here, but nonetheless, as we had this nice drop here, we came right into our support area. We have two different lows here that we were going to use for support, and I wasn't comfortable shorting the S&P into either one of them. So basically, right out of the gate here, we're at support here. I wasn't interested in shorting the S&P at that point, and then if it was to even break down below there, we got another line of support here that we have to deal with. So I pretty well stayed away from the S&P today and concentrate on the Russell. But as far as what I see in the S&P moving forward, if we can hold these two levels, I still see us holding support. I still see us as holding our support, and without a doubt, we're still in an uptrend. Now, I know I'm a little bit cautious. I'm not going to be aggressively looking for long side opportunities till we can get up above this 46.5. We get above this 46.5, get above this 8-period moving average. That's the only time I'm going to be looking for long side opportunities here moving forward with the S&P here. As of right now, I'm kind of going to sit on my hands with the S&P. We got some resistance coming down on top of us. We definitely have support here below us, so we're really getting in this pinch here. And it's just a good time for me to go ahead and step away from the S&P and be away just for a little bit. And then if it does start to get a rally here, we get up above this 46.5, I'll start to look for more opportunities back to the upside in the direction of the trend. The Russell's where we got our opportunities today. Took two trades today in the morning trading room. Yesterday, we were watching this previous swing low here. As we got a break below it yesterday, we took two great shorts in the trading room for great opportunities. Just like the S&P, we're getting a little bit extended here. We got quite a push down. We pushed real nicely here. Came in today, we marked up, hey, we got this obvious resistance here, would be this swing low here, and then we got yesterday's low as support. So we've been inside this chop range all day for the most part, and that's where our trades came in. As we came in today, we marked up our previous high, or the swing high here, we marked up yesterday's low, and we knew that inside of this range, we're looking to buy the lows and sell the highs, and if we were to get a breakdown below, I was going to aggressively look to short, which this was like the last opportunity we thought we would get, simply because we're so extended to get another extension down to, further to the downside after yesterday closing a little bit higher. Just didn't feel like that was an opportunity that we were going to get. So then, we said, all right, well then either we're going to start to sell these highs and buy the lows, or if we get a breakout here, we're going to look to buy this all the way up to the following period moving average here to this falling resistance. And we got that as well. Let me explain here. As we traded back down towards support, I was able to get a bounce here and get a nice buy opportunity off the lows, get reversal back towards the upside with some confirmation. And then we did at one point break through these highs, got a nice pullback on a smaller time frame, got a nice trade here, but it was kind of short-lived, took a small profit, and just in time for it to roll over. Now you're seeing us trade right up near them resistances again. Definitely off the lows here. So moving forward, what am I looking for? Looking for the Russell here. If we're going to stay inside of this range, I'm going to go ahead and stop trading for the day. But if we're able to get some momentum, whether it be to the upside or the downside, I don't care. If we get some momentum to the upside or to the downside, I'm going to go ahead and start looking again for some more opportunities. As you see, we're trading right up here near our resistance right now, right up above them 41s. 41s is this low. So as long as we keep trading up higher, we keep trading above the 49s, I'm going to start looking for further pullbacks and more upside opportunity here, and look to trade it up until we run into this falling resistance here. So that's what I'm doing moving forward. As long as we're breaking out of this range, I'm going to look for some more opportunities for the rest of the day. But if we're back inside of this range, I'm going to go ahead and stay away from this market today. Wait to see what this wants to do. As you see, we got a nice thrust to the downside. So moving forward, if we're able to stay above here, I'm going to be looking long. I'm going to be neutral in between here. And if we break below either today or going into tomorrow, I'm going to start looking for short side opportunities from then on. So that's it today, guys. Kind of got that bullish above, bearish below type of mentality moving forward. Just need to wait for some price action so I can decipher which way to go ahead and trade. So, but as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and sit on my hands. And once again, I'm kind of bullish above and bearish below type mentality moving forward. So I hope this helps, guys. Do you have any questions, go ahead, email me, adam@directiontrader.com. And if not, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good afternoon.